Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. In today's video, we'll be discussing about 4 major business acronyms that are used in the contract. You can find these acronyms in the preamble clause wherein the name of the legal entity will be mentioned. So let us get started. Before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post an update. The first business acronym that we are going to study today is FKA. It means formerly known as. That is wherein you are referring to the previous name of the legal entity. For example, Meta Platform, FKA, Facebook. So here we can understand that Facebook was the previous name of Meta Platform. So FKA stands for formerly known as. Next one is AKA, that is also known as. That is, we use this particular term wherein we mention or we refer the 2 different names of a company. For example, Instagram, aka Insta. That is wherein though the name of the company is popular, but still people have adopted themselves with the short form of the name. Like we do have a name and a pet name, right? The same way we are referring both the names of the legal entity. Next one is DBA, that is doing business as. So here many of the legal entities would have a different brand name wherein they would have the legal entity registered in a single name and they would be doing business in some other name. In such circumstances, we do use the term DBA, that is doing business as. For example, we have WhatsApp, but the legal entity is Meta. So we write it as Meta DBA WhatsApp. That is, Meta is doing business as WhatsApp. We can give example of Lux. Hindustan Unilever Limited doing business as Lux. So you are referring the brand name here. Now, why do we have to mention legal entity as well as brand name? That is because in many of the compliances, you will not have the brand name specifically mentioned over there. And also this happens with reference to the bank account also. Many times you will not be having bank account in the name of the trade name, wherein you will have it in the name of the legal entity. So you have to mention both of them in case of the contracts. That's wherein we use this abbreviation, that is DBA. Next one is now known as, that is NKA, which states that what is the current name of the company. Okay, now for example, Facebook, now known as Meta. That is, Facebook was the former name of the company Meta. Okay, so these are the 4 abbreviations that are most found in the contracts. And also if you're working on the procurement side, you can find these abbreviations in the purchase order, invoices, or any other transaction documents. If you know any other abbreviation which you have come across in your contracts or in your procurement job role, please do comment below so that we can learn mutually and grow. And before going, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, if you have any queries related to contracts, please feel to contact me in the below mentioned number via WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.